Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, latajidanna ashaddan nasi adawatan lilladhina amanu al-yahuda walladhina ashraku وَلَتَجِدَنَّ أَقْرَبَهُمْ مَوَدَّةً لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا الَّذِينَ قَالُوا إِنَّا نَصَارَى ذَلِكَ بِأَنَّ مِنْهُمْ قِسِّيسِينَ ورهبانا وأنهم لا يستكبرون. Translation: You will surely find that most hostile among the mankind against the believers are Jews and mushrik, idolaters, pagans, and you will find that nearer in affection with believers are those who say we are Christians. That is because among them are priests and monks, and because they are not proud nor arrogant. This is an extremely important ayah. At the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the polytheists of Mecca were very open enemies of Muslims, and they used to fight Muslims, and they used to say that we are enemies of Muslims. However, the worst enemies were the Jews, because they did not fight with Muslims openly, but they used to make schemes, and they used to plan against Muslims, and they used to do conspiracies involving the polytheists of Mecca against Muslims. Even today, this is the character of the Jews, and also the character of those who are the polytheists and the idolaters who worship the idols. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in this ayah that you must find the Christians closer to Muslims and nearer to Muslims in affection, and because they have the priests and monks among them, and they are not proud and they are not arrogant. And this is clearly seen in the seerah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that the Christians did not do that open enmity against Muslims. The king of Habsha, Najashi, helped Muslims when they migrated to Habsha. Also, the king of Misr, Maquqas, also sent gifts to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Harqal also respected the message of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he said that I would accept Islam if my whole nation accepts it. The people of Najran who came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, about which we have studied in Surah Al-Imran, discussed the religion with Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They did not accept Islam, but they did not negate Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam openly as well. So the enmity of the Christians against Muslims was not as it was in the case of Jews and idolaters. And the reason was that there were priests and monks among the Christians at the time, and people like Warqa bin Nawfal, who was Christian, and he was originally Arab, but he went to Sham and studied Christianity and accepted Christianity and came to Mecca as Christian. But when he heard Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam reciting Quran, he said that this is the same namus which was given to Musa alayhi salam and Isa alayhi salam. Christians say that in today's world these kind of Christians are not common, and in the recent history Christians have done a significant enmity against Muslims like crusaders. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. And Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. This was the last ayah for the 6th juz of Quran, and inshallah from tomorrow we will start the 7th juz of Quran. Oh Allah, accept this effort from us and help us complete this great task. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.